There are several ways to create boning channels. In this video, we'll follow one method. First, preparing the channels from the main fabric, inserting the bones, and then stitching the channels onto the cut panels. Finally, we stitch the prepared channels onto the corset. Let's get started and go through these steps one by one. Sew the outer fabric and lining pieces and prepare them for the next steps. We used double-sided silk, the red side for the corset and the blue side for the boning channels. Here are the areas for the boning. Measure the placement of the boning. Mark and cut 4 cm wide strips on the bias of the fabric. The strips are ready. Now let's move on to sewing. For this step, we'll need 8 mm polyester boning, cord tape to turn the strip edges, a lighter to straighten the ends of the boning, and the prepared fabric strips. To begin, place the cord tape on the prepared strips and secure it with a few tack stitches. Place the cord tape on top of the prepared strip, then fold the strip in half so that the cord tape is enclosed inside. Since the boning is 8 mm wide, make the channel 1 cm wide. This extra 2 mm gives you 1 mm of ease on each side, so you can stitch both sides of the channel securely onto the garment. Sew over the same line twice to make it strong and secure. Reduce the seam allowance. Once sewn, pull the cord through the strip to turn the strip fully outward, giving it a clean, folded finish. Prepare all the strips the same way. Trim and singe the boning end to make it smooth. Insert the boning into the strip, making sure the seam of the strip runs alongside the edge of the boning. Once the strip is smooth and even, press it with an iron. In this step, you'll need a pressing ham for shaping the bust. Before sewing the channels, press the corset shell thoroughly. Do this carefully and with attention to detail so the shell is completely smooth and ready to sew. Press the bust smoothly over the ham to shape it properly. open the side seam. Press the front seams towards center front and press the back seams towards center back. Once the inside is pressed, press the outer side as well. Prepare strips with boning for the full length of each seam line. Let's move on to stitching the boning channels. Pin the prepared channels onto the corset front and stitch both sides. Make sure the boning sits 1 centimeter below the neckline edge. Prepare all the channels in the same way. Sew all the boning carefully. Ensure each bone is positioned 1 centimeter away from both the neckline edge and the lower edge. The corset bodice boning is now complete. In the next video, you'll learn an easy method for making the loop panel. Follow our step-by-step tutorials to make this corset.